I'm Yamini, and I'm here to announce the grand prize winner of the Excel Dynamics New Year giveaway. Home is where we are free to be ourselves, where we are relaxed, where we have some of our best memories. So, in this event, Excel Dynamics collaborated with Sunwest Mortgage Company and asked everyone the question, where does your true home lie? And the response was really amazing. Over a period of 11 days, more than 750 posts were published by the participants. In each post, people opened up and shared some of the most precious moments from their lives and what truly mattered to them. If you haven't seen the post yet, just search for hashtag XLDMyTrueHome on LinkedIn and you will be amazed to see the responses. A big shout out to everyone who participated in this event. Your enthusiasm and positive spirit made this event a truly memorable one. During the course of this event, we also announced daily prize winners who won a Sunwest swag kit. Congratulations to all the daily prize winners. And now, we have picked the lucky grand prize winner who will win a gift card worth rupees 25,000. So, without further ado, let's invite the winner of the grand prize into this meeting and surprise her with this exciting news. Hi Preeti.
Hi Yamini.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
How's everyone at home? I hope everyone is safe and healthy.
Yes, everyone is good.
That's great. Well, Preeti, we have a great news for you.
Okay.
Well, you have won the grand prize of XLD New Year giveaway.
Oh, okay. Really?
Big congratulations. Yes, Preeti, big congratulations. You'll be receiving gift card worth rupees 25,000.
Oh, thank you so much.
How are you feeling, Preeti?
Yeah, I'm really shocked. I was wondering what is this meeting for? I never expected it would be for this grand prize. Okay.
That's really nice. Well, Preeti, the theme of this event was your true home is always within. Right?
Yes.
This made many contemplate and ascertain what's truly valuable in their lives. How did you interpret it?
I actually, whatever is important in my life, whatever I feel is my true home, starting from my family, my first post was related to my family.
Right.
Then after family, it comes Excel Dynamics, which is my second home.
Right.
And I posted on Excel Dynamics. Then after that, gradually I posted on few other things like my school life, my college life, my education career. That was also very important.
Very important. I understand.
Which I really miss. And one more post was related to peace. Wherever I find peace, close to nature. So whatever I thought was close to me, close to my heart, and where I really find peace and success. So I mentioned all those things in my posts, and I really enjoyed the complete, whatever contest.
The whole event.
Yeah, the whole event, I really enjoyed it, and I really liked posting it. Actually, I have a liking towards writing.
We can see that.
And whenever I get a chance to write, I put in my best into it always.
That's really great, Preeti. And thank you so much for the precious memories you have shared in your post. We especially love the pics of your family with your 3 lovely daughters and pics with your grandparents. Thank you so much for participating with your whole heart in this event. And, we really enjoyed reviewing your post and, checking out your post. It was really great.
Thank you so much.
So, Preeti, this year has begun on a great note for you, I must say.
Yes, of course.
You won both the daily prize as well as the grand prize in this event.
Yes, and there were many nice posts actually.
Yes, I agree.
Many posts, and everybody has written so nicely.
Correct.
Some people have done some kind of comparison which I really enjoyed.
Right.
So, everyone.
So people really enjoyed it. The response which we have received was completely unexpected. It was so very awesome that it was really very nice.
Yeah. And I hope you come up with many more such contests.
Certainly. We are on it.
And
So as and when we get chance, we are doing that.
yeah, during this work from home period, these things, they really matter a lot.
I understand.
They
I
really
agree.
matter a lot. I mean,
Right.
every day after my office, I used to post this in the night only. Every day after my office work was over, I used to sit down for 1 hour, 2 hours. I've even taken 3 hours to post.
That's really nice, Preeti. That's really nice. Okay. So congratulations once again, Preeti. Time to celebrate with your family, with your dear
Yeah.
ones. Yeah,
Yeah,
they were also the part of this whole event, I must say.
Yes. And they were really happy when I won the daily prize also. My elder daughter was very excited. Oh, Mama, you got a prize. What will you get?
I am going through your other post as well, and I must say that even your daughter, elder daughter, I mean, recently you have posted few of her paintings as well, right?
Yes,
And
she's
she's
very
doing
good.
really good. I mean,
Yes.
I can see she is into painting, she is into singing, she is into dancing.
Dancing,
I mean,
everything.
all rounder, I can
She's
see.
an all-rounder.
Yeah, she's an
Yeah.
all rounder. That's really nice.
And the thing is that no one teaches her. I mean, we do not have that talent in us that we can teach her. She does
Right.
everything on her own. I mean,
No, that's really nice.
in a school also, she's an all-rounder. I mean, she's the favorite of all her teachers.
I can say like mother, like daughter.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Right. Okay. Thank you so much, Preeti. Thank you so much for giving out your time.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Take care.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.